Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify for your online store, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Shopify for your online store, start by visiting the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button displayed on the home page. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Provide a strong password for your account. Next, choose a unique store name. This name will be part of your store's URL. Click Create Your Store to continue. You'll be directed to a setup questionnaire. Fill out the details about your business, including your address. Once completed, click Next to proceed. Shopify will then guide you to your dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. To customize your store, navigate to the Online Store tab on the left. Click on Themes to explore various design options. You can choose a free theme or purchase a premium one. Once you select a theme, click on Customize to start editing. This will take you to the theme editor, allowing you to change colors, fonts, and layouts. Next, add your products by going to the Products tab. Click Add Product to input details such as title, description, and price. Upload high-quality images to showcase your products effectively. Set your inventory levels and any variants, like size or color. When finished, click Save to keep your changes. Now, configure your payment settings under the Settings section. Choose the payment gateways you want to offer. Ensure you input all necessary information accurately. Next, set up your shipping options. Determine your shipping rates based on regions or weight. Review and adjust your tax settings according to your location. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.